So how I got started making leather goods, I was just looking for a wallet that was high quality and held just my essentials. I carry 3 cards and 1 and 2 bills. So I started making wallets and sending them out to bloggers. And pretty early on, I was featured in Esquire in their best men's wallets of spring 2013. That's when I went from 1 or 2 wallets a week to 1 or 2 wallets a day, and I realized it was a viable business. So in 2017, I opened the shop, and it's a pretty fun shop to be in. I have all these cool old tools. I even have this old cobbler's press. It's probably around during my great-grandfather's time, and so that's who I named the shop after. His name was Werther. He was the welterweight champion in New England back in the 30s. So I've got these fight posters. I have a couple photos of him around the shop, and even my grandmother or my great-grandmother wrote out his fight record. And I don't know, it's really cool to be able to honor that heritage. I feel so guilty every time we shop on Amazon, and we do it all the time, but I wish there was more, being able to go talk to the person that made your goods. I don't know, just a little bit deeper connection. And it's something that I really wanted to capture in this shop. So, I do these belts made while you wait, which has been a really fun experience. You choose the leather, the buckle, I put together on this old cobbler's press, and then, we make different wallets, and I can stitch them in red, blue, yellow thread for people, to get a personalized wallet and a personalized experience and actually talk to the person that made your goods, I think is really cool. Hand-sewn leather goods, it's the strongest way you can make them. I have a display table up here that shows a new wallet next to a used wallet, and almost everybody that sees it agrees that the used wallets look better than the new wallets. I even had somebody steal one of the used wallets that was sitting right next to the new one. But the point is they get better with time, and that's the great thing about leather. You're buying something that you're gonna have forever. And I sold a bag the other week, and the guy was talking about how it's gonna be a gift for his wife, but he didn't want her initials on it because he knew that she was gonna end up passing it down to her daughter. And I don't know, it kind of gave me goosebumps hearing about it. I'm just proud to be able to make high quality goods. And I don't know. I hope that shines through in my work. I obsess over the details. The little logo on the tip of my bracelets that I make, the tubular rivets that I use to make the hinge for the tool bag purses, snaps. It took me weeks, actually probably months, to figure out how to put the snap exactly where I wanted it. It was going to be simple, clean, have a nice look, but be functional and high quality. And I have those details in every single product that I've made, where probably stuff that people wouldn't even notice, but those are the things that make me really excited about my work. I hope that's evident from the outside, and it's not just for myself.